Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Professor Crypto. Got another hot crypto class for you guys today. This one's on fire. You guys already know. Anything we bring on the channel, it's got that heat, got that potential, and it definitely should be watched. This one is no different, guys. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Class is now in session. This one is called Bityard. Now, guys, we've already done one video covering Bityard. Initial introductory video just explaining what the platform is, where they're based, where they're registered, where they're regulated, that kind of thing. Now, as I mentioned in the first video, guys, this is definitely on my 2020 radar and one of the platforms that I've been watching for some time now. They started early April and since then have been thriving, doing pretty well. With the upcoming Bitcoin halving happening, a lot of people are looking for other exchanges just in case things go crazy on their main exchange. And this one, guys, I have to say, I might even be using it as my new main exchange. I like it a lot. Up in front of me here, guys, I have my official Professor Crypto account. This is the back end of their platform, guys, specifically the trade tab. Now, this is a little bit different from a trading view chart, the traditional one that you would see on their website. However, I kind of like this one a little better, and I'm going to explain to you why. So it's very, very easy. It's colorful. You can customize the layout, that kind of thing. I mean, on the left-hand side here, you have all of the main cryptocurrencies, and this specific pair is all of them paired with USDT. Coming more to the right here, we can see the price, the change number, the change percentage, the high, the low, the 24-hour volume, and we can also control the layout and the color, that kind of thing here. You can see the candlesticks from 1 minute all the way up to 1 month. I love this feature here. It really provides a good source for the ability to do analytics with this kind of data. Moving further right, we have our buy and sell area where you can sell at market price, do a limit order, that kind of thing. Now, here's where it gets interesting, the leveraging, guys. You can select the amount of leverage you want to do. So you can do all the way from the minimum 20 all the way up to 100 times leverage. Now, again, guys, as a disclaimer, leverage trading is very risky. I encourage you guys to exercise caution when doing leverage trading. They proceed to explain the initial margins, loss, profit, that kind of thing. All of the information will be here. Your active trades and the history of your trades will be here. Now, I'm going to do a little trade demo for you guys. Really, anyone can do this in their account very easily by clicking the left hand corner where it says live with this little curly bar going in circles here. So I'm gonna click. Now, basically what happens, guys, when you press this demo button, you get a balance of 100,000 USDT as well as the equity 100,000 USDT, because that is your balance. So now you can do things like buy and sell with leverage, right? So let's say 40 times leverage, and we're going to change the initial margin to 2,000. So the initial margin 2,000, fee is 117 USDT, and the total is 2,117 USDT. Now you guys can see as I slide my cursor over this leverage, these numbers are going to change. So the initial margin changes, right? Did you see? So the initial margin we had was 8.9 BTC. If we go to 50 times leverage, it turns into 11 BTC. All the way up to 100 times leverage, that's 22 BTC. Now, again, the same thing changes with your initial margin and the fee and the total, right, guys? So you can see the fee has significantly increased with 100 times leverage. So it's very, very interesting. If it's something you guys want to play around with, I definitely encourage it. It's very easy to do. It's just simply clicking this button, and you can cycle from live to demo. Something that I wanted to bring to your attention, guys, before I end off today's video: Bityard's first YouTube recruitment competition. Now, guys, this was posted about 23 days ago. The starting of this contest was April 18th, and it's going to be ending May 18th, so full month. First prize winner is going to be receiving 38,800 XRP. Bityard will be hosting its first YouTube video creation contest starting from April 18th and will last up until May 18th Singapore time. To enter the contest, all you need to do is to produce a video which follows the requirements below and upload it to YouTube. Participants will have the opportunity to receive 38,000 XRP. After the event, Bityard will announce the winning videos on Facebook pages, and rewards will go directly to the Bityard account of the winners within 3 working days. The terms and rules are very simple, guys. Once each month, Bityard will be holding a promotional event, and the videos to be submitted must be related to Bityard. The video submission requirements: the theme of the first issue is the Bityard Contract Trading Beginner's Guide, which includes but not limited to introducing contract transactions, how to open an account, how to start a simple contract transaction, trading practice can be firm or simulated real operations, and real operations will add extra points, order profit and loss. The video duration for this competition may not be shorter than 5 minutes. The submission method: you upload the video to your channel. The title will be uniformly named Simple Bityard. Your video title: please indicate your Bityard ID in the video description below your video. Please send an email to video@bityard.com with the email address that was used to register the YouTube account. The title should be uniformly named Simple Bityard Video Theme, and the body of the email must include the video link, your Bityard ID. The evaluation criteria: they're going to be selecting the video according to the total number of views and likes, an official rating as reference. On May 18th, the Bityard team will act as judges for 70%, and the number of video playback and likes will account for 30%. Multiple video submissions from the same creator will not count. Only one winner will be selected from the finalists. An official website's award announcement will prevail. The prize pool distribution: under 50 entrants, first prize almost 4,000 XRP, second and third prize a little over 1,300, fourth and sixth almost 600, seventh to 26th each about 38 USDT. Going all the way up to over 201 number of entrants, the first prize is going to be almost 39,000 XRP, second and third prize almost 14,000, fourth to sixth almost 6,000 XRP, and the 7th to 26th each about 38 USDT. Please note, participation awards are given to users that hit 7th to 26th place and meet the video standards, achieve over 500 playbacks, and thus will be awarded 38 USDT. Note as well, if no outstanding video works are found during this competition, Bityard reserves the right to extend some awards to the next video contest. After the user participates in the submission, the video copyrights will be shared with both parties, Bityard and the uploader. Bityard has the right to global delegation, reproduction, and other related uses for the purposes of promotion, and the right to use these works on the official Bityard channel. The final interpretation of this event belongs to Bityard. Super cool contest, guys. I really encourage you to participate in this if it's something that you're interested in. YouTube is a strong place where cryptocurrency creators can express their opinions, and I encourage you to do so if you have a YouTube channel. Why not, guys? I mean, it's a shot at some free cash, right? Last thing I wanted to touch on in today's video, guys, is this official article on Bitcoin.com. This was released on April 8th, 2020, and it titles, Bityard has now officially launched, register now, and earn 258 USDT for free. Now, guys, this article here is really interesting because it's on one of my favorite websites. As I mentioned, Bityard did launch in April, and the article reads, you've heard it here first. Bityard, the world's leading digital contract trading platform, has officially launched. According to industry authoritative sources, Bityard has received a strategic investment from a US hedge fund worth $10 billion, creating precedent in the industry for complex contracts and simple transactions. At Bityard, our ambition is to foster research and development of relevant forward-looking technology, overseas market expansion, and ecological construction of our brand name. Bityard was founded in November of 2019, and it's headquartered in Singapore. It is the world's leading digital currency contract trading platform regulated by the American Money Services Business, Singaporean Accounting and Corporate Regulatory Authority, and the MTR of Estonia for the European Union. In Southeast Asia, Bityard will also strive up with local digital asset market demands, especially with regards to government-driven blockchain trends. Not only has Bityard attracted attention with secure, simple, and fast digital contract transaction services, but we have also acquired a Thai boxing champion as a brand ambassador of Bityard. He will continue to set off waves of attention in his home country and beyond. The news article ends off explaining that in order to provide a fulfilling customer service experience, Bityard's co-branded ambassador announced a fruitful launch of daily mining activities. Starting from today, after each user registration, you can get free Bitcoin, Ethereum, EOS, Tron, and more mainstream digital currencies for a value of up to 258 USDT. In addition, you can also get Bityard's first platform currency, BYD. After it has been listed, its strengths will be well established. I encourage you guys to check out this article in further detail if it's something that interests you. There is a lot more information, and I think Bitcoin.com did a great job explaining everything. Now, regarding the daily mining, guys, what I just went over in that article. So if you go to the daily mining tab in your Bityard account, you can now see that all of these cryptocurrency icons within the mountains have numbers beside them. Now, if you go and you click on one, for instance, the Bitcoin, it says, please bind your mobile what does it say? Please bind your mobile before mining. So once you bind your mobile, guys, from there, it's free cryptocurrency from Bityard. Thank you, Bityard. After a second look at Bityard, guys, I gotta say this platform is growing on me even more and more. They are the world's leading cryptocurrency contracts exchange with a huge US investor backing them, as well as the brand ambassador, the Thai boxing champion. They're currently doing very well in the market with their live launch happening last month, and I expect their growth to only be exponential from here on. Shout out to all my students, guys. I love you. Shout out to the Crypto Class Gang. Shout out to the Lambo Gang. Shout out to the Whale Gang. Shout out to the Hodl Gang. Thank you for always your continued support, guys. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that like button for me and drop a comment in the comment section below. Please remember, guys, we are an impartial channel, so whether your opinion is negative or positive, we'd be more than happy to hear it. That being said, class is now dismissed. We'll see you in our next video. Professor Crypto out.